Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay Nails, and if you recently subscribed to my channel, oh my god, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, so thank you for that. Today I'm going to speak about my experience using American Creator gel. I love this one so much. And also I'm going to be talking a little bit about this gel, Acrylate gel, which is really good. You cannot sleep on it. And the other gel that I'm going to be speaking about is Framework gel from their line as well. So what I'm going to say is going to be based on my experience using these gels, and I'm going to give you guys a tip at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Before we get started with the video, please make sure to press on the like and subscribe button, and also press on the notification so that way you can stay notified when I upload a video like this one. Also, you can make sure to share the video. First of all, the first gel that I'm going to speak about is this one, the construction gel, and they actually raised the price. I'm going to show you guys right here how much it used to cost and how much it costs right now. It used to cost $30, and right now it costs $33. Yeah, it's still worth it, but I'm still don't want to pay that much. So I'm going to show you guys a trick of how I acquired these gels, and also a bunch of other gels that I have, how I got them. I haven't used a lot of their gels, but as you can see, some of the gels that I have from them are legit from the same line of Framework. So their Framework gels are actually builder gels. They're really good, really strong, and they don't break like that. But the downside to that I have, the bad things that have happened with me using these gels is that you actually do need to use their base gels, and that's one thing that I don't have. So what I've been using, and I always use to do my builder gels, my construction gels, or any other gels that I use, even to use this gel right here, which is Acrylate gel. This one is like a poly gel. You know, if you have used poly gel before, you know that poly gel is really hard. It's good, you can work with it, it's perfect, but you also need a liquid to make it work with. So I'm going to show you the liquid that I use to mold the Acrylate gel. But you always need a base to work with any gel. So what I use with Acrylate gel is actually construction gel, and it works really good as a base. For construction gel as well, I also use base. The base for the construction gel is also construction gel. You just gotta use less of what you would use for a base. But what doesn't work with the construction gel is this one, their builder gel. Their builder gel is a hard gel. It's really good. And their Acrylate gel, it's, oh my, Acrylate, I keep saying it wrong. The Acrylate gel is even harder, but like I said, the consistency is a consistency of a poly gel, which is really good. I don't mind that at all. It's perfect because you can build a nail plate and fix your nails, or you can fix a broken nail with this one. This one is perfect for it. It doesn't need a nail form for you to build your nails with this one. It's fantastic. I love it so much. I also built my little daughter's nails with this one, and I do not need no gel X or anything like that because this one is perfect for short nails, and you don't need a nail form underneath. For the construction gel, I'm going to tell you about this one. You cannot use construction gel for long nails. That's a no-no. You're going to have pain as soon as your nails are growing. I'm going to tell you that this is perfect for you to construct your nails, and for the nail plate, and for weak nails, for nails that are over filed, or like I said, weak nails. This one, the construction gel, is just fantastic for your nails for that. It doesn't come off, and when you do a good prep and use the construction gel, like I said, as a base, oh my goodness, you're going to love it. I'm going to show you here the proof. Okay, so this is my finger. I've done this nail maybe 2 weeks ago. No, 3 weeks ago I did this nail. But check it out. Can you see any lift? No lifts, right? No lift from this nail. I am in such pain just thinking that I have to remove this nail. I do not want to remove it because I love it so much. But I'm going to tell you what happens when you leave the construction gel to grow for too long. Construction gel is not meant for your nails to be built for a longer period of time. They do not have a high peak of heat when you put them in the lamp. The only reason that you will have a heat is if the lamp is bad. But my LED lamp is good, and so when I use my construction gel, there's no pain at all whatsoever, as you may experience with other gels. Or it's growing perfectly, very smooth, very seamless. You cannot even see it, and that's using not the base that they are selling, but that's just using construction gel as a base. And I'm going to show you another nail here. This one is 5 weeks old. Yes, a month. Yay! And I'm going to show you what happened to me. I do not want to remove this nail because, like I said, I love it so much. It has a tiny minor lift back there, but I'm going to show you why I have a lift. Because the pressure, every time there's pressure there. The only reason why this nail haven't fall off of my fingers, because the this, the pressure in the front of the nails, when you have construction nails, it will break it. The only way that your nail won't break if you have construction gel is if you have an apex in there. Look at that. This art that I did was on purpose. I did it back there because I was trying to build an apex. I did a flower in there with another product. This one I got it not from Shein, where was it? For AliExpress. Really good for like $2. It's perfect. With that one, I did this beautiful perfect flower in there. It's very stiff. The consistency is of a carving gel, almost like the acrylate gel, but it's not sticky, so it's really, really good. But yes, that's the only way that I can keep my construction gel not breaking. And same with this beautiful from Hello Kitty. It's not Hello Kitty, I think her name is Cinnamon Roll. This is my other nail. The only reason why it's staying still in there is because I used, like I said, a charm with a little bit of extra glue, and the glue is really, really good glue. It's a perfect glue. My charms never fall off. Like I said, 3 weeks there, and it's perfect, in perfect condition. I am legit thinking not to remove it, but when I do my next nail, I'm just thinking to clean the nail plate and just build more construction gel maybe. But yes, the downside of this is that it's very painful. You see, it's painful this way because they're growing, and that's really not an apex. It's just like pretending. So I am legit running out of time, but I'm going to show you something what happened to me, just because I also have construction gel in this. Now I'm going to try to focus a little bit more. All right, here I'm going to show you what happened to me. This is a nail that I have to remove. Look how bad is the allergic reactions happening on the back. But the reason why that I'm having allergic reaction is not because of the acrylites and the framework and the American Creator product. It's just because of my top gel that I'm using. Compared to the other ones, this nail doesn't have an apex. As you can see, it's very short, very little the charm, so therefore that's what's happening to me. But look at the big open space. What happened with the gel? Hey guys, yes guys, if you guys don't want to go through this, please use your framework gel, because it's a harder gel and it withstands the strength and the pressure from your nails using the products. And you see, this one right here is actually framework. It's advanced gel that I use. This one right here, and it's really strong and they don't break, and you can just build a normal apex because they are made for you to have construction, like a perfect, you know, builder gel. So that's how you can build your nails with it. So yes, these two are made with builder gel, which is their framework. This one is made with builder gel. There's no paint there. You can see a perfect apex, good apex, and good apex as well. The one that doesn't have a perfect apex is this one that is made with the construction gel, because it's not meant to be built really, really heavy on your nails. So it's meant for shorter nails, to fix your natural nail beds, and it's really, really good. But as you can tell, this is what happens. They break easily. You have a lot of pressure. This one right here is also construction gel, and this one has been causing me a little bit of pain because you can see the apex is not really big either. But again, I used a lot of artwork in there to try to build an apex, and it's painful. But this one, this is why eventually I'm going to show you here to see if the light can catch it. That's what happened. It's cracked. But the good thing about it is that I do not have no greenie growing underneath, and it's been broken for maybe approximately a week and a half. But yes guys, like I said, this is just based on my experience, and I can make a part 2, but for now I'm going to leave it right here. And please make sure to subscribe and like and share the video, and also make sure to press on the notification bell so that way you can stay notified when I upload another video like this one. Yes, have a good one guys. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.